Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and today is my 50th day of a 90-day challenge of spoken English. Today is my 50th day and I want to get to know what are the problems still I'm facing, what are the mistakes still I'm doing. Then I again analyzed my performance. What I found that as I told you that I did repetition of some phrases. Of course, still I'm using these phrases, but not more than that I'm using before. Okay, and the second mistake I'm still doing, and of course I really want to be improved. In the morning when I was doing my practice in front of mirror, I was talking to me, and I was what I was feel that. As I told you that the formation of sentences, as whenever I speak the formation of sentences, it was something same all the time. And whenever I write, then I can make formation of sentences in a different way. And whenever I speak, what means what I feel, so it is very bad thing. I mean, all the time, not of course it is not the same all the time, but what I feel that it is very limited formation. And if I have to be grow, I have to be increase my formation. Suppose, I mean, it is a very basic English, and in a basic English, if I limited my area, then it is also bad thing. So what I decide that I have to be, and what I thought that the all the time that I give to my this practice, this spoken part, it was very less time, and I will have to be give it more time. Then I will increase my time in means in all the practice, like whether it is a mirror practice and a written part, and of course, I mean, talking part, and all the in all the parts. So these are the mistakes I found. And the second thing is that whenever I started making video, in the starting, it was not my first video that I'm making. It was not my first video. I tried it 2 or 3 times, then I came here to again making. Means that what that word, uh, rhythm. I do not catch that rhythm, sorry. Means when in the starting it was very low, and after 1 or 2 minutes I will be okay. I mean, as I'm making, as it is a 2:45 second, then it will be okay for me. And after 2 or 3 minutes in the starting, I feel I mean, my rhythm is being low, and after 2 or 3 minutes it will be okay. So these are the mistakes I'm doing. Then I will have to be maintain my rhythm. Hmm. And this is the all the things. And of course I'm very comfortable while making, because if I do not feel comfortable, then how can I make this, and how can I reach my 50th day? This is also a big thing. So of course, and one thing also, and what my brother gave me advice, that you should have, I mean, he told me that like whenever I speak, of course that is the thing, that as I told you in my previous video, one of my friend also gave me that suggestion, that whenever you talk in your video, it is like that you are talking to someone. And it's good thing actually, because if I feel embarrassed, if I feel fear and afraid, then I can't speak. And I will have to be, if I feel comfortable, like there is no one to judge me, then I can speak in a better way. So these are the things. Of course, there's so many things have been changed because of this challenge, and so many things I will have to be improved. And still I have 40 days, and not about 40 days. I After 40 days I can take more time to improve, and it's my life. I have more time. It's all time to me, and it's I have all the time, and all the time of me. I can spend so much time for improving me. Hmm. So these are the things. And I want to be say one thing, that you know you if you really want to start these type of things, like challenge or anything, then please do yourself, because you are the only one who take step for you. And if you take step for you, I mean, this is a first step, that starting point. Then you can reach your ending point also. If you can take first step, then you can reach your ending point. Because when after crossing the first step, you got your confidence. Because it will be like there is nothing negative thing. Because one thing is that you have to be find positive things even in negative things, if you really want to be positive all the time. Because there is nothing like negative things. You have to be, even whatever whatever you have negative time. And there are so many things up and downs in our life. But and you have no option to faces these time. You will have to be faced. Then we can do one thing now, we have to be take in a positive way. And we can find positive aspect from the negative thing. That's what I'm doing whenever I feel negative. Okay, so thank you so much for supporting me. And it's a very nice thing that I took that challenge, because I'm literally enjoying. Thank you. Jai Hind.